in spite of the fact that first year was with Mr. Panikar. Won't forget that. At yesterday's party, most people said we were so scared of Mr. Panikar when we were in college, which is so true. Second year was Mr. Pushparaj Shetty, scarred us for life. I'm not sure many of us got through his vivas very well. And then we came into third year. And there was the gentle, sweet Mr. Gomes, the most well-dressed man I have ever come across. I will never forget his flamboyant style. Always remember that of Mr. Gomes. Only he could carry it off. And his very, very gentle and sweet manner in which he taught us. Thank you so much, Mr. Gomes.
Thank you, Mr. Gomes. Is Dr. Shanta Devi here? Dr. Shanta Devi.
Hey, Ravi. All 4 or 5. One more.
Thanks, Mr. Matthew, for joining us this evening. Kabri, a few words.
Mr. Matthew, I didn't do very well in your class, in the accounting classes, but in any class whatsoever. And the fact that I didn't do very well, I have turned into a consultant, and that too a financial consultant. So anyway, it was fantastic being with you. Learned a lot. It's helped me later on in life, and really you were a fantastic person. You taught us a lot, and of course we at this point in time we also remember Mr. Shalia. We miss him so much. Unfortunately, he's not with us. Anyway, thank you very, very much. I would ask.
Thank you so much.
Katie, Aarti, T-shirt.
The class will always do well in life.
So basically we are happy power.
Okay, we'll remember those words of advice and pass it on to the newer students. Thank you.
That should have been told in the first year.
Yeah. Miss Dinaz Goriman.
Will be meeting all of you and your kids unbelievably. So I'm very grateful that you thought of me, and I wish you all the best in your lives ahead. I'm so happy you've done so well, all of you.
Just a moment.
Okay. Come on, somebody else.
First lecture in French. First lecture in French, and I didn't know that she came to and she started bonjour and all those things, and I thought, what the hell is this? What is this? And then I started blah blah, and the whole lecture I was blah blah. She used to speak in French and I used to. I thought she's just a French teacher and she knows only French. That's it. And after the break, she comes back again and she starts speaking English. And I'm shocked.
Great.
And then when there was a French driver, I came along and told me, before she could ask me, I told her, Madam, I only know RE and ER verbs. If you want to ask me those, it's fine. Otherwise, I'm going.
And you managed to get away with it.
It was my dream to give you a rose. I did this.
Congratulations, there. You've done very well. I need a bit.
Sangeeta is
Mr. Varki, please. A few words, please,
A few words is over. I'm happy to be here and happy to be invited. And nice to see that all of you are successful. The fact that you are here also is important. And I look forward to seeing you in your next reunion also. All the best to all of you.
Thank you, sir. Just a moment.
The moment you go to Mr. Varki, he used to say, sir, I'm sorry. And his instant answer used to be, I'm also sorry. but right now I'm sorry for you. And then there was a Viva, and he knew that I watch all Hindi movies, so he told me, Vijay, there was a movie based on a true movie based on a dancer who lost her leg and shit. And before he could complete, I told him, yes, sir, Nache Mayuri. No, I know it's Nache Mayuri. I wanted to know the name of the director of the movie.
You can't win.
Yes, with Mr. Varki, you can't win. Thanks very much, Mr. Varki. Thank you, sir. Ms. Jyoti Acharya. Ms. Jyoti Acharya, please.
Good evening. Thank you for calling me here. I formally don't remember teaching your class anything, but I think I was more friendly with you outside class, and I particularly remember Amitabh, of course, because he even hosted me in Chicago, for which I am very grateful, he and his wife, and I am so happy to see all of you here. Thank you once again. All the best.
We remember you holding the remote. We remember you holding the remote.
Remote for?
For TV room. You probably remember this, Jyoti ma'am, that my sister Sangeeta was your student, and she probably does not recollect this, but Jyoti ma'am, my mom, Sangeeta and myself, and I wasn't in catering college then, actually took a trip to Darjeeling together, and throughout the train journey, I think it was a 1.5 day journey, I was constantly asking her about what is catering college and what kind of career you can have, and I think by the end of the journey I had made up my mind to come to catering college.
You were in 8th standard at that time. I remember that.
Mr. Coelho, Morgan, Sagar Handa, where's Sagar? We thought that your vote should be given by a special person, Mr. Sagar Handa.
I still can't figure out why the coffee move couldn't fit. That's still $1 million question. So, what did you do?
Say whatever you want to say.
Whatever you want to say. So
Now
that,
the chance.
well,
Well, I last met him in Chicago in his apartment. And they shared the same bed. Oh God! Not again! Not again! Not again!
The family's here. It's a family reunion for 2 hours to cook it fast.
I know. He reinvented the food in the 80s. Let's put it like that.
thank you for letting me smuggle the mayonnaise.
Well, if you thought that we didn't know about it, we knew all about it. Thank you. Thanks.
Just tell everybody.
Yeah. Hey everybody, can you just come up a little bit ahead, and we'll get this wrapped up. But we'll also have Josna Bhosle madam, Josna ma'am, and Ashwini Singla.
Not here. He's come. Just come. Very good evening, everybody. It's really a great being here and seeing all of you. Faces are familiar, names forgotten. Sorry for that. But it's really a very nice effort and appreciate what you've done. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. The famous word for Quantity Kitchen was "Pull!"
After Josna ma'am, we have Mr. Vishwanath Iyer. Iyer sir.